How to add a ringtone on Android. Add a song. First step, go to Music on your device. Select a song. Go to All Songs. Now go to Artist. Here is the song you selected. Click on two dots. Now click on Set as Ringtone. Set the duration. And set it to ringtone. It is added successfully. Go back. Now, step 2. Go to Settings. Click on Sounds. Now click on Ringtone. Here now, click on Music on Device and select any song from the list. Select it. It is added successfully. That is how you can add a ringtone on Android. That's all from today. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update.